I am so excited for this trip. Hello. I want to check in, please.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
How many bags are you checking in today?
Just one. Just this one bag.
Perfect. That's all set. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I love the view.
Of course, one window seat. Here is your boarding pass. Have a nice flight.
Everything goes into the tray. I hope it doesn't beep. Great, all done with security. This place is huge. Maybe a small gift? It's almost time to board. Attention passengers, flight QF12 is now boarding. Thank you. Goodbye. Here we go. Next stop, Sydney. Welcome on board, Emma. "15A. Ah, here it is. It fits perfectly. Safety first. Wow, we are flying! Thank you very much. You're very welcome. The clouds look like cotton candy. Beautiful. It's a long flight. Time to read. We are starting our descent into Sydney. We finally landed safely. Hello, Sydney, I am here. The line is moving quickly. Got it! I found it! Wow, the city lights are magical. I can't wait to see everything. To the Grand Hotel, please. Wow, the Opera House is amazing! Hello, I have a reservation under Emma.
Of course. Welcome, Emma.
Thank you. My holiday begins now. This is perfect!